WEX FSM's schedule and dispatch feature allows a seamless workflow between the office and field. Create appointments from the office or out in the field with our integrated mobile app. From the field, you can get GPS directions to the job and notify your customer when you're on the way. Keep the office informed with appointment statuses. Statuses update in real time so the office always knows what's happening in the field at a glance. Enjoy the flexibility of invoicing and taking payment from the office or the field. The dispatch feature in WEX FSM is here to keep your team connected while running jobs. From the schedule page, you have 2 maps available. To visit the first map, click on Map in the top left. This map is company-wide where you can see all technicians and appointments. Appointments are indicated by a blue pin, and you can click on each pin for more information. The second map is an individual map for each user. From the dispatch board on the schedule page, click on a user's name to see their individual user map. From here, you can see the username, appointments, planned routes versus actual routes driven, and coverage zones. You can even zoom in and look at the satellite imagery of the properties they visited. The coverage zones feature allows you to create zones and assign technicians to each zone. This helps avoid driving routes that are longer than they need to be. For example, the city of Charlotte is very large. Sending my technician from one side to the other would mean over an hour drive and lots of traffic. It would be more efficient to have a technician that's closer answer the call, but that can be difficult to keep track of. Coverage zones are here to help. To set up coverage zones in your system, navigate to Settings, Customers and Scheduling, Coverage Zones. This is the Coverage Zones admin page where you will set up and manage your zones. You can view the map in Google Map View and toggle the terrain, or Satellite View and toggle to hide labels. To add a new zone, click Add New. This puts you in Draw mode. Use the scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom in and out, hold down the left mouse button to drag the map, and when you're ready, click the left mouse button to begin drawing a shape. Continue clicking points around the service area you want. And when you're done, double-click to close the shape. After the shape is made, you can use the points on the outline to adjust the shape and get more detailed. Once you have your zone drawn out, name the zone. Add a zone description if desired, then assign any users you want to work in this zone. You can also update the color that shows on the map here. This is great for color coding multiple zones. When you're done, click Save. To edit or delete a zone, click the edit icon in the top left, then click Save or Delete. Repeat this process for all other zones. When you schedule an appointment, your system will provide an alert anytime you schedule a technician outside of their coverage zone. This does not prevent you from scheduling the appointment, but is a helpful reminder. You may want to assign this job to a technician that's closer. Your work queue can be filtered by coverage zone. The top left of each work queue item will show you which zone the appointment is located, so you can make the most efficient decision on who should receive the appointment. Want to know what zone your technician is currently in? Click on their name from the dispatch board. This will show you where they are on the map and which zone they're in. Keep in mind, location services must be enabled for the WEX FSM mobile app for their location to show correctly. Navigation is as easy as 1, 2, 3 with the WEX FSM mobile app. From the app, you can view your schedule for the day and easily navigate to appointments. Simply click on an appointment and update your status to On My Way. This will inform your customer that you're on the way and update the office on the dispatch board. After changing your status, simply click on Directions, choose your preferred navigation app, and get GPS directions to the job. When you arrive, check in and begin working. When you're finished, update your status to Complete. All completed jobs will turn gray upon completion, so the office knows when jobs are complete.